superimpose the Hindutva ideology on the Waqf board. So we condemn this, and the behavior of the chairman today, he has not even allowed members who have to move their amendments. If you see the parliamentary proceedings, the speaker always names a person, are you moving your amendment? Yes, sir. Then 1 minute is given by the honorable speaker to explain why you are moving the amendment. But here we have seen the honorable Mr. Chairman has become not only the mover but also mover of my amendment. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. This is a joke.
Give the announcement. Rejection.
My amendment, I am not moving, he is moving. And then he's raising his hand to oppose my amendment. And then he say, okay, he's the mover and the opposer. He counted himself. So he's a mover, proposer, everything has become. Opposer. So this exactly shows us what government is doing. And if you see the amendments that have been moved by the BJP and by the allies, they are obnoxious. They are not to save the Waqf property, I say. And it is very surprising and shocking that Mr. Chandrababu Naidu, Mr. Nitish Kumar and Mr. Chirag Paswan, though they are part of BJP, supporting Mr. Modi's party, but you are supporting these obnoxious amendments which will destroy the whole Waqf property. You know, someday they will have to come back to the people. Right now they are having their political honeymoon. But as you rightly know, that this great country of ours has seen many political honeymoons. And then you have political lunar eclipse, solar eclipse will happen for them also. I am very surprised and shocked that all these three allies have supported these amendments, and we strongly reject what has happened today. And please remember that tomorrow the draft report will be shared to us. How is it humanly possible for all the members representing different political parties
to read 500 pages?
That draft report will not be less than minimum 400 to 500 pages. And by 29th we have to give if we don't agree with that report. How is it possible? What is this? You are making a mockery of the parliamentary system. The reason standing committees or the joint working committee has formed is because in the parliament you do not get enough time to speak on every clauses, but that is why a committee is formed. And even in that committee, you are superimposing on us, you are pushing us to the wall. So this whole behavior of what has happened today and what has happened in the last 6 months, it is completely uncalled for. It is not good for a democracy. And as I have said earlier, this bill, if it becomes law, this will be an interference in the Muslim personal law of Muslims. This will be weakening our pluralism and diversity of our country. This will be a great attack on Article 26 of our Indian Constitution. So these are the important points. And throughout the country, as far as the Muslim community is concerned, everyone has rejected this proposed bill.